and welcome again to Joyful Kitchen Hacks. Let's make this egg and sardine toasty pie. It is effortlessly tasty with a unique twist that is sure to please both kids and adults. Let's jump right in.
So we'll need boiled eggs. I'm using 4, 1 raw egg for wash, 1 tin of sardine. Now I have 2 different kinds of bread here. They're both sliced, but this one is extra thick. So the slices are extra thick, and that's just a regular sliced bread. I prefer the extra thick slices for this recipe. So you separate the egg yolk from the white and just mash the egg yolk. Next, add the sardine, and then mash and mix until it's completely combined. Next, we're going to take the sliced bread and just chop off the crust. I'm just going to go with my finger there to create like an indent on that bread because I want to know where the filling should stop. But also we want to press the edges down as well so that when we fold it over, the pie comes out really good. Now I'm going to spread some butter so that the finished product is not dry. So I'm just saving the bread crust in the plastic bag to use as bread crumbs later. So we're going to add our filling. Add as much as you like, but bear in mind that you need to be able to fold it over so that it closes really nice and neatly. Now I'm going to get that egg wash and rub it on the edges only because we just want to seal it shut. Get your fork, press down so that you get that nice pie look. And then we're going to get the egg wash again and just coat it. Also, you need to spread some butter either before the egg wash or right after the egg wash. I didn't do that one, so I'm just doing it to show you. Now, it's ready to go into the air fryer. And I'm going to bake for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C. Of course, check your air fryer as your baking time may be different. All done. Really nice and cute. I'm sure you'd love it too. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section.
So that's it. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family, friends, and community. Thank you.